The first thing we're going to do is go to Linktree.com, or you can just type in Linktree in Google. Select the website. It should be the first one that comes up. Then you're going to go to the option that says Get Started for Free. Okay, once you get there, you can either sign up with your current Instagram that you have. I already have my Instagrams associated with Linktree, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter an email that is not associated with it. Enter your email, and then your username. Remember that your username is going to be part of your URL link. So just make sure you kind of use one that's probably cohesive with your brand, or just like your name would work. Just don't be too complicated for no reason. So when you get to the next page, it's gonna say let's get started, and you can choose 3 tags that are relevant to your brand. Of course, right now I'm just going to select anything for the purposes of this video. However, do something that is relevant to you and whatever you have going on. Then go ahead and enter your name. From there, you're going to select Save Details. Okay, when you get to this page right here in particular, you have the option of getting the free version, which is going to give you, it includes basic features. You get unlimited links. You can see the total number of times each link has been clicked. You can see your lifetime views in your link tree, and you can pick from a selection of Linktree themes. The pro version gives you everything that's included in the free version, but a whole lot more. You can actually customize your link. You can see your lifetime clicks and views. You can measure your link performance through click rates. You can highlight most important links with priority links. You can share your email signups directly to your Google Sheets or MailChimp. It just goes a little bit more into depth, and you can go ahead and read that yourself and decide, which one can work for you. But for right now, we're going to continue with the free version. Once you do that, it'll give you a message saying thank you for signing up, and go verify your email. Okay, so you want to go ahead and verify your email now just to get it out of the way so you don't run into any issues. So just go ahead and log into your email, which is what I'm going to do now. Go ahead and click the email. Once you click the email, you just hit verify. Once you verify your email, it'll say your account has been verified, and then you just want to click continue. Okay, from there, we're going to hit add new link, and then you're going to go to your TLC website. I know it's going a little fast, but go to TLC website, select copy, and then paste that URL in that section. Okay, from there, you're just going to type in a title, which you can say join my team, total life changes, whatever you want to say, but make it relevant to the link. Once you do that, you'll see in the right hand corner, it's showing that your link was saved. Okay, go back to the website, and what you want to do is create custom links, you guys. You want to make it easy for your customer to select certain things. So right now, just as an example, I'm going to get the Freedom Kit. I'm going to copy the URL for the Freedom Kit. I'm going to go under my link tree, and I'm going to type in, I'm going to paste the URL, and then type in Freedom Kit. You want to make sure your link, the name of the link, is relevant to the actual link. Okay, so that way if a customer wants the Freedom Kit, then they can just go and click the link. It'll take it directly there, so that way they don't have to worry about searching up and down your website. TLC have multiple products, and sometimes it can be an overwhelming for someone to look for stuff. You want it to be convenient. Okay, you want it to be convenient. We live in a microwave society. Okay, so the next thing, one more example, I'm going to click the remove, relax, replenish kit, copy the URL, go ahead and paste it on your link tree, and then type in the title. Okay, if you don't type in the title, the link will not be active. That's why it's yellow. After you type in your title, it will turn green. Okay, once you do that, we're going to go over to the right hand side, and at the top you see the link that says my link tree. Copy that link. Once you copy that link, go ahead and go to your Instagram. If you know your Instagram password, just go ahead and log in. I actually had to stop this video so I can go ahead and change my password, because I never log in and out of it, so I had no idea what my password was. It's really ridiculous. So you can log in. Once you log in, that is not the picture that I wanted to see when we first logged in, but anywho, you log in and go ahead and click your profile by your username. Go ahead and click your profile. From there, you will see edit profile on side of your username. Whatever your username is, you will see edit profile. Select edit profile, and right where it says website link, you're going to go ahead and paste your link that you just copied from Linktree, okay? Now, I'm not going to delete my Linktree because, you know, this is my Linktree that's relevant for me. But just go ahead and paste it, and you will select submit. I'm not going to select submit because I don't want to erase my Linktree. However, once you save it, you go to your Instagram page and select that Linktree link. And now you will see all of the links that are associated with your Linktree account. So this is just making it convenient for, you know, your business because Instagram only give you one space for a website. So by creating a link tree, this allows you to link multiple links within, you know, that one link. Okay. And that's the goal of this thing. It's really not that complicated. All of this green don't look too pretty. So whenever you can, you know what I'm saying? Like upgrade to the $6 a month or something like that. If you feel it's personal to you, then go ahead and do it. It's really not that important though. I mean, this does get the job done, but I'm just saying aesthetically, it just looks a little better if you can make it all pretty and everything. Okay. But do what you have to do what works for you. So hopefully this video was helpful. See you guys later.